Better, everything we say, the water is better than anywhere else, yeah.
Mother's grace is also here.
Yes.
Mother's grace. Ma Sharda Devi. Ma Sharda Devi is there. So it is good. 150th birth anniversary of Sharda Devi brings one Swami for you as a gift from India. Mother is so gracious. Yeah. It's a very, very historical year. Swami Ma Sharda's 150th birth anniversary celebration is going around the world. At that time, you are getting a gift of a Swami from India.
It is celebrated the whole year.
Yeah.
So we can still do something.
Yeah, you must celebrate.
We have to do something.
150th birth anniversary of Sharda Devi,
Yes.
you must celebrate.
Yes.
Yeah. You must celebrate. Up to 5th June, up to 3rd June it will go on. 3rd January. Up to 3rd January 2005.
It's her
Yeah.
year.
Next birthday is
Yes.
152nd birth anniversary.
Yeah.
Last year was 151st birth Tithi Puja. So it is 150th birth anniversary celebration. Now up to 5th of January 2005.
Also in India, the celebrations are going on.
Yeah, it's going on. We also had
You open the internet,
Yes.
you see it. It was
so many. We also.
I got a CD for Rajkot Singh. Very good drama. Whole Holy Mother sings. Special drama group came from
That is in Hindi. That is
in Hindi. But at least there are so many songs and so many
Yeah.
things up there you can
it's
see.
been nice to see, yes.
There you see this 150th birthday in Porbandar. We had these 2 phases. Now the 3rd phase will come. Chennai had a lot of very big celebration, Rathotsav and all that, everywhere. Now Belur will have, the concluding will be Belur. 2nd, 3rd, 2nd to 5th of January 2005. There will be gala celebration in Belur our headquarters. That is the end. So before that you can have a celebration.
Yes.
Holy Mothers.
So, would you suggest that we wait until Swami Baneshananda comes and
Yeah.
do it together with him?
We should.
Yeah, when he comes you will celebrate.
Then we
Yeah.
will do
It's
it
very
together
nice.
with him.
When he comes then you celebrate. That will be better.
Well, then you must
Yeah.
try.
You wanted to ask something?
It was 16th December.
Send you later appointment letter, and then you will take his course.
That is one important question. How can we take direct contact to him? And when it is the right moment to take a direct contact to him? Until now, we did not contact him. We only got the letter from Swami Smaranananda that we are getting the Swami, we're getting affiliated, and his name is Swami Baneshananda, but we do not have any direct contact with him. So, what is your advice to
Should
do?
we-
And
should
should
we,
we contact him?
Conduct him.
And how? And when?
You can easily contact him. There is no problem. Now that your official communication has already come,
Yes.
so no problem.
We write an email.
Yes, you write an email at the
Send
care
it
of
to Bilomat.
to Belumat address
At Bilomat address to
and email address.
we'll
You write to
contact
Baneshananji
him.
that we have got a letter from Swami Swarnananji and we are very happy and we are eagerly awaiting your arrival. When are you coming? Yes.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
the correspondence will start.
Yes.
Then you will write that
Thank you. That is
you start.
Did you send the letter? Devi, did you send the letter?
what's-
From sponsor letter from here?
Not yet, no.
no,
Because
because
he needs to get the visa.
yes, but we need to send this letter. We need his name, which is in the passport,
Well,
his
then
date
you
and
can
place of
ask him
birth.
in
We
email.
can also ask in the email.
Yeah. Before the passport comes.
You said only this much. Number one, that we have received communication from Swarnananji. We are extremely happy, and all of us are very eagerly awaiting your arrival. And please let us know what are the procedures to be done from our end.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
So then he will inquire in the headquarter
Yes.
office, and he will say, "You bring sponsorship, this, everything he will do." And also, you write to Swarnananji also. Have you written
Yes.
that we are happy to
We
know?
have written. We have phoned with him. We have had our board's meeting.
Hmm.
We have written an email. Next day, half of the board was here. Then we phoned to Swami Smaranananda.
That we are very happy.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Very good. So that work has been done. Now you write to Ganeshananji also.
Okay, that has to be done.
That can be done.
Chief.
That can be done.
Yeah, General Secretary Maharaj also wrote in his reply that you wait, we will inform you as soon as we know the details, what all papers we want from you.
Yeah. They must be now consulting the Consulate General of Germany in Calcutta. You are right.
Yes, but
And they will be getting the details.
the passport must be made at Chennai because Swami Baneshananji has been staying for last 2 years in Chennai.
In Chennai.
So the rule is the place where you had been staying for last 2 years, that very place has to give you the passport.
6 months.
I see.
So that's why he has gone from, he had come to Belur Math, he had gone to Kashi, then he came back and gone back to Chennai.
Chennai.
Now we'll write an email.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
So, I am also happy to meet you. When you come to India, we shall meet. You are coming to India?
God knows. Isn't it?
Mother knows.
Divine Mother knows.
Divine Mother knows.
Divine Mother knows. It.
সকলই তোমার ইচ্ছা, ইচ্ছাময়ী তারা তুমি, তোমার কর্ম তুমি করো, লোকে বলে করি আমি। Everything Divine Mother's wish, whatever she wishes, we do. Isn't it? So you have got a very good philosophy, highest philosophy, divine will. All happens by Mother of will, Mother's will, Divine Mother.
High Court.
Yes, she is the High Court. You know Chota Nagen? Chota Nagen story? High Court. There is one more that is another High Court also. That is when there was a plague in Bengal, very severe plague. Swami Vivekananda was in Darjeeling. When he heard that the whole Calcutta is getting vacated, he immediately came back from, he was not in a good health, still he came back from Darjeeling and immediately started the relief work with Nivedita and all that. And he gave a manifesto, he brought out the leaflets, don't fly, don't run away, we are with you, and don't run away, and we have started relief work, we'll continue our relief work and all that. And the brother disciple said, Swamiji, you have told already, you have published the leaflet that you will carry out relief work, but there is no money. Then Swami said, what do you mean? If there is no money, you see, people are suffering. I cannot see them suffering. You see, we are monks. We can stay under a tree. We have purchased this land for Belumar. If necessary, we will sell it. And then get the money. When the brother disciples heard, they were very much worried. After 12 years of struggle, somehow this land has been purchased where Sri Ramakrishna relics will be put, and the dream will be fulfilled, and that is going to be the headquarters of Ramakrishna Math and Mission, and if that is not done, whole Ramakrishna Mission gone. But they can't see anything because Swami Vivekananda is Shiva avatar. He is like Shiva. When he becomes Asutosh, he will bless. And when he becomes Rudra Sarup, nobody can go near him. Nobody has the courage to go near him. So what to do? Then go to the High Court. He went to Holy Mother Sharda Devi. Mother, we have heard like this, and we don't know. He may even sell away the land if necessary. Then Holy Mother said, okay, call Naren. Then she asked, Naren, I heard that you are thinking of selling the land. Yes, Mother, I cannot see that people are suffering very much. And so I have started the relief work, the money is not coming. So, if necessary, I have thought that we'll sell the land because I cannot see the people suffering. Then Mother said, Naren, I can really appreciate your great heart. You are feeling for the people. That's great, very good. But my dear son, you are all monks who have been trained by Sri Ramakrishna himself. You can live under a tree. But you know, this Ramakrishna mission is not for today. It is for hundreds, thousands of years. And many more boys will come to become monks who will not be able to do austerity like you. You know, she knew Nikhileshwaranand will come and he will need lot of food to eat, time to time, and good nice place to stay. He will not be able to stay in tree. Everything Mother knew. That persons like me will come. They would require good facilities. Otherwise they will not be able to become monk. So she said, my many other sons will come. They will not be able to do austerity like you. They will require a place to sleep. They will require some good ashrama. So this is not only for 3 years. And then she said, You are talking about one relief. Ramakrishna Mission, through Ramakrishna Mission, thousands of relief work will be done. Hundreds of relief work will be done. And now you see, really, after that, hundreds of relief work has been done, including the earthquake relief. Holy Mother's words have come true. Then she said another thing. Now you know, Sri Ramakrishna used to say, Sharda is Saraswati, goddess of learning. We start smiling. Goddess of learning, Saraswati, and she does not know how to write her name.
Yeah.
When a money order comes, she has to give a thumb impression. Angutha chap. Thumb impression. And Sri Ramakrishna says that she is the mother of Munivar, goddess of Saraswati, goddess of learning. So we feel very much astonished how Sri Ramakrishna said. But if you look to life, incidents, small incidents, oh, she is really tremendous wisdom. Not only SQ, spiritual quotient of course, but EQ and IQ also. Tremendous. All the three are there with you. Great wisdom. Holy Mother Sharda Devi. There I have given one CD I have given to you, VCD, based on the management seminar that we had in connection with 150th birth anniversary of Ma Sharda Devi. That was on 21st December 2004. And that was 2003. And that was Practical Vedanta and Modern Management. And there I have given how Holy Mother is giving the advice on management. Her advice is so important for management in everyday life. I have given that. Practical wisdom she had, tremendous. So, look at the wisdom. Sharda Devi, after telling this to Naren Swamiji, he said, Acha Naren, this land, who is the owner of this land? To whom this land belongs to? Then Swamiji said, Mother, I have purchased this land in the name of the trust. Oh, it is the land of the trust. And have you consulted the other trustees before? Then Swamiji said, no, I have not consulted. He said, how can you sell the land which does not belong to you? It belongs to the trust. You must consult the other trustees. And I have consulted other trustees. They came to me and they don't want to sell the land. Because Swami Shardanand and others, they had already come to Mother. He said, they have already consulted them. They don't want to sell. How can you sell the land? Swami had to bow down. Yes, Mother, whatever you sell. Afterwards, of course, donation came and the relief work was going on. But this shows Holy Mother's power. She was the High Court. She says, finally, Swami Vivekananda does not do anything. For he had to go to Chicago Parliament Religions, but he was not able to decide. He was in two minds. Once they collected some money, he told, you distribute among the beggars. If there is a divine will, then only I will go. Then he had a vision also when Sri Ramakrishna was calling him, Naren, come over the ocean. Then he became, yes, Sri Ramakrishna wills it. But still he was not able to make a final decision. So he wrote a letter to Sharda Devi. And when Sharda Devi wrote, yes, my dear son, it is the will of Sri Ramakrishna, because she had also the same vision of Sri Ramakrishna, calling Naren. She said, yes, it is the will of the Lord that you should go to America. When that letter was received by Swami Vivekananda, he started dancing with the letter. Oh, mother's permission has come, I am going. Mother's permission has come, I am going to America. Then she took final decision of America. So for Swami Vivekananda, Sharda Devi is final, Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Whatever she says, final. No more argument. Before Sri Ramakrishna, Swami Vivekananda used to argue very much. But before Sharda Devi, nothing. Whatever she said, okay. No argument there. Final. The Divine Mother has got tremendous power. Sharda Devi. So that is Sharda Devi. High Court or Supreme Court, whatever you may call it.
And the art pool, that is also the famous place for...
That is the birthplace of Swami Premanandji. Premanandji was born there, and there Artpur is a historical place because on 24th of December, Christmas Eve, 1886, Swami Vivekananda and his Guru Bhais had gone there for excursion, and on 24th December, they were in a different mood, so they had a dhuni, a fire, wood fire, and they sat down